Yep. It's now morning. Yeah, we made it through the night. I'm carrying them back inside now. Hey, wakey, 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 wakey.
Is it morning yet?
Yep, it is morning.
Wow.
Yep, I'm gonna go inside now. We can get the rest of your sleep inside. But it's morning now. We made it through the night.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we did. We went to the light. It's very cold out here.
It was?
Yeah.
Alright, so you remember those biscuits that we threw outside?
Huh?
The biscuits and the marshmallows we threw outside? Alright, so the ants have found them, so be careful when you're stepping out.
Okay.
Careful when you're stepping out. Ants are really vicious out there now. Alright, so
And somebody knocked over my slipper.
Michael, you especially, you have to be careful. Alright, just run quickly, go
So you
fast.
got in my dragon
Run
machine.
quickly, 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 Michael, quickly. Quickly, run, run. Don't even stop. Just run, 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 run. Don't turn back. Run. Ants, bad man.
Time for you to be playing on fire fighting, right? It's 5 a.m.
Hey, Michael, come on,
My
man.
pillow.
You left your pillow. Alright, I'm gonna go outside back for some stuff.
Okay.
You can lie down.
I'm just going to do something.
These cats are still playing. They were our guardian cats throughout the night. They're still playing. Campsite. Yeah, these ants are vicious. That's them eating that marshmallow that we threw out here. pillows and stuff.
Hey, why do you have three of them?
Oh, because one is mine.
Not going to sleep.
This one is mine. Okay, welcome back to civilization. Mia, why you got two sheets? That's your sheet, Michael. Alright, so bye bye. Yup. That's the moon. Alright, what else we got in here? Alright, turn that off. Need a charger. No, I don't need the Jason mask. Do I need a zapper? Alright, so let's carry these two back inside. And I'm gonna turn off this light now. Lights up. Alright, hopefully we're gonna come back and carry the tripod in. Put a night light in and close up this tent and get back to civilization. Ants are trying to kill me. Civilization seems a little darker than out in nature. Where are you going?
To get water.
to sleep. Here, get her some water. So if you have questions like what are all these sheets for, just leave them in the comments. I'll answer them. There goes those cats. Did rain actually fall? The sheets are wet. Um, that's geography for you right there. Okay, cat. They must be saying, why are they taking down our lovely sheets that we've been playing with all night? Oh, still have two more over there. Hope we don't see anybody behind these sheets. Dum dum dum. Now that would be scary. Just trying to see what you are seeing. It's now 5:15. Inception. Okay. That's weird. It's this Inception thing. So I'm looking at my screen while looking at my screen. Yes, I'm weird. Don't at me. Alright, so that was it for us camping outside all night. Wow. So, any questions, leave it in the comments, and when I wake up, I will answer them. Alright, so until the next one, peace. 5:18. Alright, one last look at the kids before they Micah is out like a light. Leah was sleeping all night, so she's understandably awake. Alright. So I said this already, but until next video, peace.